Hey students, Mr. Jen here. The date is probably, if you're looking at this, about February 1st. Right here. And that means it's study time for our Chapter 14 test. Surprise, you have off on Friday, tomorrow, which would be test day. So you kind of get 2 study days. Really a whole long study weekend. In-service means that the teachers will still be here. But you don't have school. So if you shoot me a Canvas message that day, I'll probably answer you in short order, but there won't be classes or office hours or anything like that. You could probably even give me a call if you wanted to. I don't know what they have planned for us. Usually they have some kind of training for us, so we might not get back to you right away. But we will likely, at least I will do my best to get back to you that very day. So with that being said, it's a test like many others. This one has... Let me take a look here on my other screen. 24 questions. It actually ends with a true or false question because I wanted it to have a nice round number of points, which I believe ended up being 45, something like that. I didn't want an odd number. I don't like odd number tests. So 1 point true or false at the end. There's no essay question on this one, so lucky you. So go ahead, study by the normal means. We did cover a vast range of topics this chapter. All kinds of new inventions, industrialization, steam engines, canals, and then the stain on U.S. history that is the domestic slave trade. The North and South were very different places. I know the comparisons between what we learned about the North in 1 and 2 are very different from what we learned about the South in 3 and 4, and that's going to help us scaffold our learning up into this Civil War and a few chapters, which is sort of the culmination of marking period 3. To study, I always advise you, hey, maybe let's just read the chapter again. Here's the online book. Oh, here's 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe take a gander. Look it over again. And that way, if you got a question that you don't remember, you'll probably at least remember, I think that's about the people of the North, so that's probably lesson 2 or whatever. Take a look, We have the study guide right here. If you can answer all these questions, you're probably in really great shape to ace the test. There's no real surprises. We're halfway through the year, and I'm a man of routine, so I don't like surprises, and I don't like dropping surprises on you. I'll always give you fair warning. So, as that is, expect the matching vocab followed by multiple choice questions, generally in the order that they are presented in the chapter. And as I mentioned, no essay on this one. That's it. I think you'll be set up for success. And I believe the next chapter, which I'll be uploading shortly, chapter 15, I think, is on reforms. Hey, let's take a look. Yep, the spirit of reform is what we'll be moving on to. Talking about people wanting to change the nation for the better. So that's what we're headed into. Good luck on that test tomorrow. Most of you posted in the forum are just like, I'm ready to rock and roll. Great. If you have any outstanding questions, shoot me a message. That's it. Have a great day. Good luck on the test come Monday, and enjoy your weekend. Take care.